how to activate a product on your Steam account. So right now this is my Steam account. So you have a product code and you need to activate this on your Steam account. So let me show you how you can do it. It's pretty simple. Open your Steam, and from here you will find this game. Just tap here, and from the game you need to select activate a product on Steam, and here you're gonna paste your product code. So it says enter your product code. It will be in this format, so you simply have to paste your product code here, and after you paste it, you just need to confirm, and that's pretty much it. So once you confirm it, you will find the game in your library, added in your library somewhere in this list. So yeah, this is the process of activating a product on Steam. So yeah, hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and have a great day.